What's up, people? Ross Fader back once again. This week, I took some vocals from the new Dope Ammo sample pack, smashed it together with a bunch of sounds run through the Amigo VST. More Amigo bangers, here we go. Lovely vocal.
It feels so good, it feels so good, you keep on getting better.
Added a bunch of this to it. Some breaks through the Amigos. There's this classic sound. Chopped up this amen. Heavy sub bass. Nice little stab. Another stab. One more stab. There's a bunch more little vocal stabs and bits and pieces here and there. Check out the links on YouTube if you want to pick up the Amigo VST or the Dope Ammo sample pack. Here's the tune. Peace.